Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your dApp approvals with Revoke.cash export, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your dApp approvals using Revoke.cash, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Revoke.cash website. Once the page loads, locate the Connect Wallet button on the home page and click it. Choose the wallet you use for your decentralized applications. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet securely. Once connected, your dApp approvals will be displayed on the screen. Look for the export option near your approvals list. Click on the export button to download your approval data. A file will be generated and downloaded to your device. Check your downloads folder for the exported file. Open the file to review your dApp approvals backup. Ensure all necessary approvals are listed in the exported file. Store this file securely for future reference. This backup can help you manage and revoke approvals when needed. Refer back to this file whenever you engage with dApps. Regularly backing up your approvals will enhance your digital security. You are now equipped to efficiently manage your dApp approvals with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.